In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom on laptop. We'll walk through the process from opening the website to signing in, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Zoom website by typing zoom.com in the address bar. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before continuing. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Meet. Inside that area, you should see an option to download the app. Click Download App to go to the installer page. Next, you'll be asked to select the configuration that matches your laptop. This simply means choosing the version that fits your operating system and setup. For most Windows laptops, the standard 64-bit installer is the right choice. On a Mac, you'll pick the Mac OS installer. If you see language choices or specialized builds, stick with the default unless you know you need something specific. Choosing the correct configuration ensures the app installs properly and runs without issues. Once you've selected the right installer, the download will begin. When it finishes, click the file to open it. You can usually find it at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder. On Windows, the file name may look like zoominstaller.exe. On macOS, it will be a .pkg or .dmg file. If your system asks for permission to run